Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Jovial Jyoti and this is me, Jyoti Sharma.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry.
So in today's video, I'm gonna do a quick viral makeup challenges. Like, I really don't know how the outcome will be because I have zero knowledge about it, but I thought let's do a fun challenge. So I'm doing it. पहले मैं सोचा कि मैं इसको अपने भाई के साथ करूँ, but it's like बहुत dramatic था उसको मनाना and all that, so that was always out of the plan. So मैं सोचा खुद ही करते हैं. So yeah, I'm gonna do, and please don't judge me if it turns out bizarre. And like for this, okay, I'm sorry. For this, it's because मैंने कल रात में I have pleated my hair to get those wavy look, because जब घर पे होते हैं ना, I know that I have option that I should not use heat curlers and all that stuff, so I avoid it. इसलिए मैंने natural curls के लिए डाले हैं. And sorry for the sound अगर कुछ extra आ रहा होगा because it's raining outside heavily और पंखा चल रहा है. मिडिल क्लास फैमिली can't afford AC, so पंखा चल रहा है, उसकी आवाज आएगी. And yeah, that's it. Let's get directly to the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my face really well because एक तो already इतना bizarre होने वाला है. I really don't know. So I'm using here Nykaa का Prep Me primer और इसको हम अच्छे से nose के area में properly लगा लेंगे. And we are done with the primer, and the next thing that I'm gonna do is color correct my dark circles जो मेरे future से ज़्यादा dark हैं. ऐसा सबको लगता है but ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. Okay, so this is not actually part of the challenge. I have seen videos, like अगर मुझे clips मिले I'll add it here. It's like two videos. One is that reverse contouring of nose, then one is that different contouring pattern, and then it's like a viral blush challenge as you have seen it. So I'm gonna try some of them. अगर clips मिले तो obviously I'm gonna add it, but ये सब पहले से prepare कर ले लूँ ताकि ये bizarre ना हो. And we are done. Okay, so next is I'm using NYBay का contour stick in toffee. Now we'll be doing reverse contour stuff, that is पूरे nose area को, you know, we have to do it fully brownish chalk. Oh shit, bro. Okay, this is not at all looking bad. And then we go from here, like this. Oh shit, this, and we're gonna do this. Then from this side we are gonna go this, and we are gonna go this. Okay, not at all bad. Oh okay, and now we are gonna do the viral blush challenge. So here I'm using 29M Scarlet Siren red lipstick. It's a vibrant red lipstick from Nykaa. And now what we are gonna do is, okay bro, okay ish, this might go down very bad. Oh boy, I really don't know why, but मुझे यहाँ पे खुजली हो रही है. Oh god यार, मैं तो मिरर भी नहीं देख रहा. How bad it looks. And now what we are gonna do is हम जो rest of the khali area we'll put concealer over there. So this is the concealer I'm using from NYBay, and it's in shade Cinnamon appraisal, and we're gonna put it here. Oh, this is very smooth. Like, I got it for free last time when I purchased some of the stuff from NY Bay, and it's so smooth and good, man. Matlab, right now only I have removed the packaging of this. Okay, oh my god. Now I just have to mix it properly. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a makeup fixer and we're gonna spray it a bit. Okay, boy. And now we're gonna take a damp beauty blender. और सबसे पहले जो contour area है, we gonna dab it properly. Dab, 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 dab. Okay, that's not looking so bad, is it? And it's almost done. And now what we are gonna do is we're gonna take the back side of the beauty sponge and we're gonna dab this red lipstick. This is gonna, like, I think this is gonna take me down real bad. And it's almost done, and now we are just left with our concealer and part. So I'm gonna take another beauty blender, jiska point is very clean and all that, and now we'll blend our concealer portion. And yep, this is pretty much it. And now we're gonna cover it with a nice foundation layer and let's see how it turns out. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna take two foundation shades. I'm gonna mix it. One is ouch, I don't know why it's itching so much. First foundation is a Maybelline New York foundation 120 Classic Ivory. This is Maybelline and this is Maybelline Fit Me. So we're gonna take one pump each of both. Okay, we can take two. I've taken 2 pump of this and I'm gonna take 2 pump of this. It's this much. And now we're gonna add some facial oils, maybe a drop of it. 2 drops of it, and now we'll mix it properly off, so that इसमें जो ऑयल डाला है वो पूरा मिक्स हो जाए एंड फाउंडेशन शेड भी अच्छे से पूरा मिक्स हो जाए. Now we're gonna apply on our face evenly. You know, I always think that our hand is the best applicator. I'm thinking of doing another makeup challenge, you know, where I'll apply all my makeup from my own hands and finger without using any applicator or brush. I just want to see how it turns out. Okay, now let's just dab it with a nice beauty blender. Honestly, not gonna lie, ये मेरे फिर बाल पे लग गया है, but this looks much better than I expected. मुझे लगा था कोई bizarre सा अजीब सा चेहरा लगेगा, but no, the base is quite flawless and it's really nice. And now I'm gonna set these portions with baking powder, but before that I'm thinking bit of like थोड़ा सा इसको light करना चाहिए. This portion, this and this, and let's just blend it. Now here comes the favorite part, that's baking. So we're gonna just dab a powder sponge and we're just gonna set under eyes with it. Gonna take another dip. I'm gonna set it. And we're just gonna create a nice smooth look here. And here. And lightly, बहुत हल्का सा we'll take it and we'll just dab it and we'll just try to set our foundation. And now I'll just dust out the extra one. And voila, the base looks absolutely fine. अब थोड़ा सा bronzing करेंगे, like हम थोड़ा सा contour powder लेके and we just try to I really don't know whether it's visible on camera or not, but ये bronzing powder या contour जो भी आप कह लो, लगाने से पहले ही मेरी face थोड़ी सी इस portion में से लग रही थी because of that viral contour challenge and all that. So it was pretty good. And now we're done. I'm gonna just put some blush वैसे ब्लश की जरूरत नहीं, ऑलरेडी चीक्स रेड लग रहे हैं, बट स्टिल ब्लश तो जरूरी है. Okay, I'm here using Sugar Cosmetics का Contour de Force Mini Blush in 04 Salmon Superstar. It's a bit of corally, peachy kind of a blush that I love. And yeah, it's almost done, and now it's time for the eyes. I just want to tell you guys that I suck at doing brows, so don't judge me if you don't find it that much nicely done or something like that. थोड़ा सा डार्क हो गया, राइट? ओके, कोई बात नहीं. ज्योति, यू आर एन एक्सपर्ट, यू कैन डू इट. Okay, gonna just rub it out, the extra share. Okay, I'm gonna do the second one and I'm gonna come back instantly. Done with the brows. I know it sucks, but that's the best I can do right now. Okay, now for the eyes, we are gonna go a bit greenish and bluish. So I've taken this Wet n Wild ka palette in Stop Playing Safe. And I'm gonna go take this green one and we're gonna just put it on the transition just like that, creating a transition kind of a thing. And we're gonna take more and we're gonna do the same. Place the pigment, I haven't blended it yet, and now I'm taking this Nicka K का Under the Sea palette और इसमें जो हल्का सा ocean green kind of a जो color है, we are gonna take that, dust the extra out, and now we'll blend it inwards. And now we have blended, and now we're gonna put it on our lower waterline properly. I don't know why, but मुझे lower waterline पे उतना ज़्यादा heavy रखने का कोई शौक नहीं है. But yeah, I still do it so that it completes the look. That's it. What we'll do, we're gonna take a bit of nice lighter nude tone and we're gonna blend the edges because ये थोड़ा पता नहीं चलना चाहिए. So we're gonna blend the edges properly. Now we're gonna take this dark blue glittery shade from Birthday Cake palette and we're gonna place the pigment in the middle. Voila! And let me just blend it out on this one also. And this is how the eyes look pretty much. And I'm gonna just put some eyeliner and mascara and I'm just gonna come back right now. And I did my eyes. They look good. And now it's time for some highlighter. I'm here using Nykaa ka highlighter and I don't know if it's shade, yeah, Sizzle Chisel 01. Okay, better I should apply from fingers. Okay. And we are done. I'm gonna go for the lips. I'm trying like nude brownish vibe. So this is the mini NY Baker lipstick of 12th set. Usme ka hai 24 want to get messy. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, not too much. Okay, where's the mirror? Let me check. Pretty much good and nice. And now I'm gonna go top it with bit of brownish shade of Lakme Enrich BM11. It's totally dark brown shade, and you're just gonna top it. And yep. Should I put some? I don't know, I'm not sure, but let's try a bit of lip gloss. Okay, it turns out good. Okay, really nice. So we are done. I'm gonna do my hair and I'm just gonna show you the final look. Okay, alright beautiful people, and this is the final look, and honestly I am so much loving it. अभी बाल थोड़े से सेट होने में टाइम लगेंगे, but I guess this is it man. पता है ये करने के बाद I just realized that you should know what you're doing and you'll end up doing so nicely. And yeah, some things are worth risk taking. Pehle I was really not sure how this video will turn out, but I'm completely glad and happy the way this look turned out. And yeah, I hope आपको भी अच्छा लगा हो. That's it. And thank you so much for watching this video. अगर आपने literally ये video last तक देखा है, then you guys are lifesaver. And thank you so much for supporting me. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं और अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज 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 चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो और बेल बटन दबा देना ताकि अगली बार से मैं कोई भी वीडियो डालूं आपको अपडेट मिल जाए. एंड या मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में कुछ नई चीजों के साथ. टिल देन स्टे एट होम, स्टे सेफ, एंड यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन माई Instagram. I'll be posting new relatable stuff and content, so you can go check it out. And yeah, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.